Billionaire's Mind. I am Nicola Belia, your host. So in today's episode, we are going to know more about the person behind one of the most successful milk shops in the country, the Tininiw. To give a short background, Tininiw is a musical milk tea shop made for people whose hearts into music and tea. It was established since 2008. Meaning to say, it is one of the shops established before the craze for milk tea started. Without further ado, please welcome the pillar behind the success of Tininiw, Ms. Jeremy Reyes. Good day, Ms. Reyes. Welcome to our show.
Good day, Nicole. I am glad to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
It's our pleasure. Many people are going crazy about the success of your business. Can you tell us about some brief history of your journey?
Back in 2005, I am an accountancy student who have a rare addiction for teas. The time that I knew about the milk tea from my friend James, after he came back from a trip to Taiwan, where the milk tea was all the rage, I've got an instinct that I have to do something with it. So my musician friend James and I decided to have a business partnership to make our separate passions as one, which established this musical milk tea called Tininiw.
Thank you for that inspiring story. I know that many people also want to ask this question to you. What it takes to be a successful entrepreneur?
To be a successful entrepreneur, I believe in two major things. Love what you do and be flexible. Loving your work makes your daily duties easier to carry out. Also, passion makes these actions seem like aren't even duties at all. I am likely to deal with failure, learning how to do better than getting discouraged. Next is to remain flexible in industries, technology, and goals. In business, sooner or later, something will happen that you did not expect, and you'll have to respond to it without hesitating.
As you've mentioned about the unexpected may happen in the long run of your business, I assume that you are referring to the contemporary economic issues?
Yes.
So, what are the coping mechanisms that you've done for your business to survive in this trying time?
With the current state of a depressed economy, many small businesses owners feel as there is no need to plan ahead. But for me, planning is a must. When the recovery starts, long-term growth will be a byproduct of planning, instead of doing nothing or making haphazard business decisions. Planning involves different aspects of a business, such as strategic approaches, marketing, and finances.
Aside from global pandemic, what are the other challenges faced by your company in terms of operations?
The steep competition between the milk tea businesses. Keeping an eye on competitor activity can give you an inside track on how to get ahead. Monitoring their processes and practices can help you anticipate their next moves and adapt your strategy accordingly.
We all know about the craze for milk tea throughout the country. Milk tea shops are here and there. Therefore, there is a tight competition in this field. How do you stand out from the rest?
We optimized customer service in a way that exceeds expectations. We also identify the aspects of the products that our customers value most, which is the combination of milk tea and music. And here, we provide our greatest service.
Wow, what an inspiring insight from you, Ms. Reyes. To done this segment, are you willing to supply even milk tea shops are already out of trend?
Yes, we always look at the brighter side of everything. As you can see by our tagline, we believe that life is full of possibility and opportunity. We don't wait for opportunities to come. We make it.
Thank you for valuable insights, Ms. Reyes. We are looking forward to seeing you here again on stage. And that is for today. What's inside the Builder's Mind? Till next time. Thank you for watching.